Exosomes for hair growth. Is this the future of hair loss treatment? Exosomes hair growth का future हो सकते हैं, but problem तब होती है जब science को hype बना दिया जाता है. In next 5 minutes, you will get a clear view कि what is the real role of exosomes in hair loss treatment and up to which stage of hair loss will you be benefited by exosomes. So let us discuss as many points here as we can. So we are now seeing that after PRP, there is a demand for next upgrade. Hair loss industry में एक future solution जरूर होता है. Social media has taught us that less sessions, more effect. Now people have questions. What is the difference between PRP and exosome? दोनों में से कौन सा better है? क्या लेना चाहिए? दोनों में price difference कितना है? डॉक्टर क्या बोलेंगे? पर सबसे पहले समझना ये जरूरी है कि exosomes actually होते क्या हैं? Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon. Today we are discussing exosomes for hair loss because in my past experience of seeing more than 1,000 patients of hair loss, now it has become something new but very important. Do not forget to subscribe this channel for more such science-backed solutions. Exosomes are very tiny structures, 30 to 150 nanometers, which are secreted by usually stem cells, which may be autologous like from the same person or plant-derived but usually mesenchymal cell-derived. They carry bioactive particles like lipids, messenger RNA, microRNA and such structures to different cells to tell them what they should do. The study on your screen now summarizes the effect of extravesical and extravesical mimetics which can be exosomes on hair growth. So ये instruction जैसा काम करते हैं. Follicles को growth related signals देते हैं जैसे beta catenin pathway उसको stimulate कर देते हैं. इसलिए लोग इन्हें regenerative therapy बोलते हैं. But exosome therapy stands out from cell therapy because it is less immunogenic and has less adverse effects. But we have to understand that growth signal देना and growth करना दोनों same नहीं होते. क्या आपने अभी exosome treatment कभी try किया है या आप करना चाहते हो? Do tell us in the comment section below. So what is PRP? PRP is made from your own blood. It is platelet rich plasma. What is exosome? Exosome are microvesicles which are made by different cells. Here we are talking about autologous exosomes जो आपके अपने ही tissue blood से बनाए जाते हैं. And the other source which is quite common, which is being used by many people are plant-based exosomes. What are the key difference in their performance? So it's quantity plus consistency of signals. इस वजह से exosomes theoretically ज़्यादा efficient माने गए. But then theory and reality में gap होता है. Please press the like button if you find this information valuable. What science and evidence actually say? See, we are living in the era of evidence-based medicine. So I must tell you that the study of exosomes is still less, mostly early stage studies, limited trials. So we need more and more studies on them. Recently, there was quite a buzz in the FUE Asia and there were award-winning papers on it. So autologous exosome is now something new and in place. Results promising है, but final verdict अभी नहीं है. Hope बहुत strong है, data भी अभी developing है because medicine actually evidence से चलती है, excitement से नहीं चलती. So in the next video, we will tell you in detail about exosome, how it is made, what all things are required, what is the pros and cons of it, and also what would be the cost of exosome therapy which you would be paying once you get it done. Here, I would like to tell you a very common mistake जो लोग कर सकते हैं कि medical treatment छोड़ दिया, PRP therapy अगर डॉक्टर ने बोला है तो छोड़ दिया and खाली exosomes पे हमने rely किया. अभी ऐसा stage नहीं आया है. We have to continue with medical therapy if doctor has advised. So who are the possible candidates for exosomes? Early AGA like early androgenetic alopecia, people who are refractory from PRP and maintenance phase patients, and who should avoid shiny bald areas and unrealistic expectations of patients. So if you want a hair transplant consultation, you can call us or WhatsApp us your images on the numbers below. So now I'm sure आपको hype और truth के बीच का difference समझ में आ गया होगा. It is definitely a new thing. It is a promising thing. Autologous exosome may be a game changer for us all, but now more and more studies need to be done. If you are thinking of taking this therapy, do consult your hair doctor and also wait for the next video in which we'll be bringing more details about this therapy along with the cost of exosomes. Do not forget to share this video with your family and friends who are planning exosome therapy for hair loss. If you want to know 5 signs of receding hairline, please click the video on the left.